Hi, Geordie Dave here at DRD Allotment. Just another update video to show you what we've done. You've probably just seen a little flash behind. So I'm going to change over camera and I'm going to show you, and they're busy putting plants in it now. And there's our polytunnel. What we've just finished putting up after I've done a night shift at work. So we're putting some plants. So
tomatoes and peppers are
there's Gillian Dots getting the plant suit. And Danny's carrying them in, and the awe of DRD is sitting on his horse staying out. Yeah, I shouldn't swear online, should I? Warren's hiding in the shed. You know, Warren's hiding in the shed because there's more work to do. But so as I say, they're moving these into the shed. Looks like it's going to rain, doesn't it? And I've got the box to put down on here. All these tools got to go away. We've put bark down here, as you can see. So this area was sitting area, starting to look fantastic. This part now. That bed, there's another two of them to come down. It's got to be sunk in, so some size. And Warren and Robert this morning and Danno cleared all the soil out, so that's got to be sunk in. And as I say, there's another two of them to come down, and they're going to go down here. And then there's this big fencing. That's going to go along at the back and all to finish off our back. So basically, I'll get you a shot from up here. Well, you cannot see much because they're all down there working, and it's still looking like a building site, but we've gotten it done. Oh, we've got some spring onions here. So that's all I can show you for now. So I'll do another update next week. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll catch you again soon. So bye for now.